windows leaked, and it just didn't have I don't know, it was kind of dull on the outside.
We certainly had windows and doors where you could see large amounts of sunlight, even when they were closed.
That's how I put my hand through a window, is that we had the old single pane windows, and I couldn't get it to come back down again, and my hand went through it.
We had been talking about having some work done, and there was a house that had a whole bunch of work done and looked great and had an energy guard sign in the front yard. I contacted them about a porch that we wanted removed and a broken window. It went from a porch and a broken window to a porch, replacing all the downstairs windows, siding the entire house, guttering.
Doors.
And yeah, we replaced
front door.
3 doors. We had them expand the size of that door and then put a screen and a regular wood door on. We had them get rid of a door over in the back where the second porch was and replace that with a window, and we had them put in a back door.
The workers that put that door in, they actually had to do a lot of work, and it's just phenomenal. It opens and closes like it doesn't weigh anything, and it's a 260-pound door.
Yeah, the door window guys were pretty amazing. The quality of the workmanship was actually really impressive. They would be here till dark. It got done quickly. And they cleaned up so well. I was shocked. At one point, we kind of looked like a demolition zone outside the entire house. And by the time they got done, you wouldn't have known anything was done. It was cleaned up so well. So that was nice.
Yeah. The difference in how the house appears now from the outside is just phenomenal.
We definitely noticed that we don't hear things outside like we used to. Trucks can drive by, and if the house is closed up, you don't hear them before they rattled the windows and made all kinds of noise. So that, that's what I noticed.
And just the way the windows work, and I mean, they seal up. You don't have drafts, whereas before we would have drafts. And if you want to open a window, you can actually open it.
Yeah, we had to get rid of a lot of sticks because that's what we used to keep all our windows open before. Now we don't need sticks.
They did a great job. Yeah. And all of our neighbors, they compliment every time I see them outside. It's, boy, your house looks great. And when I come home, it looks like a different house. It's just an amazing transformation from what we had.
Yeah.
Absolutely, I would recommend them, and we actually have recommended them to other folks. You can't go wrong. They do a great job. The windows are fabulous. Ours are triple pane. Paid a little extra for it, but I think it's well worth the money, and the siding is fabulous, and the people to work with all the way across the board are great.